making egg rolls.
Woo!
The meat is cooking over there.
We'll show you in just a minute.
Yeah. We're putting out we're tearing up the cilantro and putting the leaves in this big bowl. There's other vegetables, but Mommy has to chop those.
So we are taking the leaves off the stems of the cilantro, and then we will cut up an onion, and we will cut up cabbage, and we already have some pre-sliced carrots. And once our turkey is done cooking with the seasonings that we added to it, we will then mix this all together in a bowl after we boil our noodles. We pour hot water on our noodles and let them sit and get soft. Then we will mix it all together with some garlic powder, some more garlic powder, hoisin sauce, and oyster sauce. And then we'll put it into our little egg rolls, roll them up, and fry them. So we're gonna show you what everything looks like, right?
Right.
Step by step, and then the finished product. We used gloves, or you can use your own hands if you want to make sure everything is mixed together. And I used food scissors to cut the long noodles, right? And so what we're going to do now is add our sauces, right?
Right.
Can you tell them the sauces we're going to add?
This is Hoisin sauce.
And this is?
What? Hoisin sauce. Hoisin sauce. Not poison. Hoisin.
Hoisin with an H, right?
Right.
Right. So let Mommy put on her gloves so when you put it in there.
Hoisin sauce is pretty good.
She tasted the hoisin sauce by itself. Okay, no more of that. What other sauce are we going to use?
We're going to use our...
Oyster.
We're going to use our oyster sauce.
Oyster sauce. And then we use the sweet chili sauce, yep, for the end for dipping. And then you just mix it
up. So the next step is to open up the roll.
So we have spring rolls. And these spring roll shells are what we are going to use to wrap the egg rolls, right? 25 come in a pack. What are we doing now?
Now they're all wrapped up. We're gonna fry them.
Yep. And the not fried over there.
Yep.
Once they're done, they go here.
I'm dancing.